Hello, this is Russell from Unicoder Academy. Today, I am going to share with you new topics, or it's not actually new topics. It's a new course. Okay, this course is provided of you our Unicoder Academy, and is completely free, and it's learn and it's teaching to you basic to advanced uh, Microsoft Word documents. Okay, so this is a very important software or application if you want to work with a good organization or good company, and the Microsoft Word is a very useful software. You going to any places and any office or any organization, you see and you look the Microsoft Word is important and is necessary, is everywhere, is necessary. Every office they are use Microsoft Word for create a letter, create a invoice, create a various documents, create use this Microsoft Word. Okay, me, Mr. Russell, I'm going to explain with you actually how many topics is here in this Unicoder Academy. So Unicoder Academy is a big platform. You can getting part by part actually how many computers application or systems, everything I will give you, provide you totally free. Okay, so stay with us and follow my Facebook page and like our every video, and if you watch from YouTube, and you can subscribe my channel and support me and us. Okay, and today we are going to share with you Microsoft Word documents full course. So this course is completely free and it's basic to advanced. If you watch this course fully, I don't know how many video I need to create on this Microsoft Word. I don't know. I can't share with you. If you watch the video is carefully, then you will become a advanced Microsoft Word user. Okay, so if you Microsoft Word user person, then you have a good opportunity, you getting a good job, and many places they just work with Microsoft Word, and they are earn many money. Okay, if you just a normal person, ordinary boy, he is just a ordinary boy, you should learn a Microsoft Word. You know, in the world is going to all those things, and everywhere is going to digital. You know, I can say is a food or dress or shopping mall or everywhere, every section they are used to computer. Okay, computers is provide you very easily more work. Okay, so you should be learn computer science. After our next generation is different on our technology. Okay, who person is knowing better technology, their life is going well. Okay, what option we are teach you, just this option you are try to practice yourself. It's better for you and better for me, because when I learn you something, and when you learn it better, then it's so happy both of them. Okay, so today is enough. So today is tada.